Setting up your e-waiver. To set up your e-waiver, first thing, we go to our settings and click on configuration. Once you're on your configuration page, scroll down to your setup and click on waivers / terms of service. Here, you'll see a blue button that says new waiver terms of service on. Now this is where we can click and create our new e-waiver. So let's start off by giving it a title. So let's say if you're owner of a XYZ gym, so let's say we're going to call it a XYZ gym waiver. I'm going to choose my type, so that's going to be a waiver page. And in the text body, this is where I'm going to type all my terms and conditions of my e-waiver. Now you don't necessarily have to type it. You can, if you already have it saved on your computer, you can just copy paste it here. Once you copy paste all your terms and conditions of your waiver, or you type them in, let's click on the save button. Once the copy is saved, you're going to see that there is a new URL link that has been created for your e-waiver. You can update it at any point if you choose to, just by clicking on the update button. You know, if you need to make any amends here, you need to change the title, right? You can do that and then make sure to update it again. Once you update it, now you can view the link here. So let's click here to access your e-waiver. This is what it's going to display like. So your business name would show up along with your logo, and a person can basically fill out this e-waiver for themselves or for their child just by accessing this link. So you can email out this link to your leads. You can have this link open on your iPad, or you can just email them and they can do it on a cell phone before starting their trial. Once they fill out this waiver and they hit the submit button, the waiver will basically be redirected into your database.